Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to set your export settings ratio or export setting quality on a CapCut application. So first thing we have to do is just go into the CapCut application, and now you just need to start your new project and do the editing. But if you already have the project, just add and visit back your project. And here I already have the project, and I want to save this project into my gallery photos or media on my device to upload into my social media. So actually, to set your save or export setting, you just need to go click the sites in 1080p. So you will have an access to set the resolution of your video, the frame rate of the video, the code rate, as well as the HDR of your video. If you want to make your content have a best quality, make sure that the smart HDR is in on or active mode. And after that, for the code rate is already provided by the CapCut about their recommendation. Make sure that you go into the site, and it's quite enough. I mean, it's minimum pair of your code rate that you can save. It's already have a better quality. But if you haven't satisfied yet, you can also set this into the high. And then from the frame rate, you can also adjusting from the recommendation of the CapCut, or you can also make it higher. So the higher the frame rate, you will have this smoother video smooth. And for the resolution, 1080p is quite good, but if you want to make it 2K or 4K, you can also do that. But remember, the higher the resolution, there will be the bigger size of your file, so your video will take like a lot of space on your phone. So this is the recommendation of the CapCut, but if you want to set it better, you can also do that. And after you done set all of this format, you just need to click it back and directly click this to export your video and save into your phone. So that's the way how to do a export setting on the CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.